in the universities level, many university has got a very classification sector to teach all this. Even you have all kinds of courses. You can start even with certificate, diploma, advanced diploma, undergraduate, postgraduate, everything you can do that under one umbrella. You have a very long-term planning. And then facilities that yesterday we heard about the Joint Tank Evolution Panel. I think one of the points I should mention here that it's very important now for Bangladesh to have navigation simulators for both internships, training for crews as well as for ocean-going vessels. And also nautical studies, even in the vocational level. Because in Bangladesh, Dr. Bari said that he wants to earn 17 or 20 billion by 2020, but then where are the people? I know Bangladesh has got 170, 180 million people, but you need the right people in to get that good amount of money. So you also need to look after this. And Bangladesh laborers have been very successful in Singapore. In capital organization where I work, there are almost 30% people from Bangladesh, And then this is the last important thing that Bangladesh government should start now, the own classification of the inventions, because we have 40,000 inland vessels. You have to develop a means to survey them, and especially during the construction, and also at certain period over its life. I'm taking too much time. So passenger vessel, the present design and the design material, that's one example I just gave you. So these are the type of boats we have at the moment: country boats, mechanized passenger launches, vessels, paddle ships. I just showed water taxis recently introduced around in Dhaka city. I saw it in newspaper. And that's the typical country boat, you see everywhere. This is taken from the Lakka in Naranganj. This is a mechanized country boat, you see, very bad bow shape, very bad up shape. But it floats and it moves, but it could have moved faster. This is the vessel which I saw as a young boy, the wooden type, now it is steel. But the another bad development that I saw now noticed, which is extended right up to here, which is not good. I was coming one day from my hometown to Dhaka, and my cabin was inside. All night I couldn't sleep. Because if you're inside, if something happens, you'll not be able to get out. That's the passenger launches. These are the dangerous vessels I call them. It's a dead trap. Once you're inside, you are dead underwater. And that's the people. Well, that's not happening every day. I think that's mainly happening during the festival season. And then you see the next time what happens to those vessels. All these accidents happen to people lose their family members. And that's happening almost every year. But last 1 or 2 years I didn't see any incident. But I can tell you it will happen. So this is I call always this word I use, keep it simple but not simpler. Because if you make it too simple, then it's not good. Think out of the box. Don't just think what people have been doing. Think something that can be innovative, that can be challenging. Yeah? And then allow overloading. You cannot stop overloading. Can you stop overloading? No way. People are desperate. So think something that this overloading will happen, still it will be safe. Yeah? And introduce some safety and minimize risk. So this is a monohull. This is a ship with 2 outriggers. This can be done also with kind of panel method for analysis. As you can see, mounted more trouble on face of wind strength. So these are the analysis I'll just do quickly. So what I did actually, my student did, in fact, we took a passenger monohull, put 560 number of passengers, and just according to some capacity. And we did the stability, mainly the intact stability by the IMO resolution S749, and it passes. Then we put also multi-hull, obviously it will pass with monohull. Then we overloaded by 100%. We just put another 100% passengers. It fails. Monohull, multi-hull pass. Then we put some more passengers, and it still passes. So if that outrigger design, that is a concept I just gave. If someone works more properly, because you have to be very careful about the outrigger size, geometry, location, position. And easily you can see stability is much higher for the multi-hull. Heel angle also much lower for the multi-hull. That's the technology. But what you saw in Bangladesh, those passenger vessels, the picture, you can't crowd because there is no way that you can go beside because every space is taken. So it is only a concept design, and many other investigation you have to done. You have to do like outrigger position, the sizes, also, and also the resistance. Also, you have to look at the resistance because there will be interference now. And also motion analysis you have to do, but it's not physical because in the Bangladeshi river, maybe the wave height is not even a meter in the inland waters. And also the only this criteria is not only a only factor. You have to use dynamic stability, passenger crowding, sudden healing due to fall of large cargoes. That can be also cause a sudden healing and a maneuvering. This is also a certain extent cause of healing for the vessel. So the vessel without trigger is the best way I can think of for passenger vessel here, and you can see these are the benefits if you have the vessel without triggers compared to a monohull. So what I should explain that Bangladesh has got this enormous waters, but there's nothing wrong with that. Many countries don't have any of it, but you have it. And I think if you manage it properly, not only just the safety of the passenger vessel, many other things, you could have a very good growth in this sector, and a lot of employment, a lot of new things can be done. So you need a good policy with the involvement of the industry people, research people, government, everybody to come together and find a way forward. That's the end of the presentation for the first one.
Okay. Thank you very much. I think you can start your next presentation, and I request you to limit within 12 to 15 minutes. Then we can have a question answer session for these two papers within 5 minutes or something like that.
The 17, Yeah, okay. Sorry, this one maybe I'll do it very short. I mean, this is a big, important activities going on in South Asia actually. Bangladesh, India, China, Pakistan, and Turkey, and to certain extent in Europe. But South Asia, Bangladesh, India, and Pakistan, almost 70 or 80% of the recycling is happening here now. And Bangladesh is on the top. So this is a very, very labor-intensive industry. What you need, a few people with a good strength and a few cutting torch that can slit that big VLCC over the months, totally empty. It's very labor-intensive. You cannot go and I put a rubber and cut the ship. You can do that, and there will be no safety problem. But it is a very green industry because you are using Bangladesh, I think you are using 90 to 95% of the material of the ship in different ways. So it is a very, very green industry. But the only problem, two are the very, very big basic problem. One is the worker safety, other is the damage of the environment. Other than that, everybody is happy, I'm sure, because it gives a lot of help to the country. Look at all the construction industries building roads, where they're coming from. They're all coming from all this scrap steel. We don't call it scrap, recycled steel. So this is roughly, I will go through, but I don't think I have time. So this is, shipwrecking is just for going on for some time, and it's just another form. But this is getting increasingly important because the number of ships are much more than before to be recycled. Yeah? And that's why IMO has come out with the Hong Kong Convention for this. Even now, I don't know how many of you are aware, ISO has come out with regulations for shipwrecking. So these are from background study, but the main thing is the state of the industry. What is happening in the state of the industry? If you